Hello friends, today I will share with you the most important thing, which is reward voucher. Please click on rewards and here this is my earning points. Here all the reward, browse reward, click on browse reward, then it show all the rewards are available here. This is the option shop by categories or search, and shop by categories. Here are all search option, charity, e-gift card, and you have to click on mobile top up. So this is the category of mobile top up. Here 4 mobile top up are available. 100 rupees for Airtel. You have to spend 136 life point, and another is Jio 100 rupees top up, which is values is 145 life point, and Airtel 500 for 663 life point, and another option is Jio 500 for 714 life point. So this is the option. I click on 100 rupees Airtel mobile recharge. Here it is the description. You have to thoroughly follow the description. Top up you are your Airtel prepaid mobile number with 100 using this mobile top up product. Return of this product are not acceptable, so you unable to cancel this order. If you order this and confirm it, then you don't cancel your order, and you have to enter your country code and also your valid mobile number, which is related to Airtel mobile number. So no any prefix suffix should be acceptable. If you enter symbol with the phone number, then your order cannot be processed. You will receive a text message notification with the mobile top up is processed. I add to wish list. I click on add to wish list. If I spend life point, then it asks to confirm me the spending of life point. So this is the life point option. If I cancel here, then my life point will be remaining same. Okay, I cancel this order, then go to home. So my life point is remaining same, no changes. So friends, thanks for showing interest in my video, and please share my video and subscribe. Please give a thumbs up for this video if you like, or if you dislike, then dislike my video. If any question you have, then comments on comment box. Thank you.